Hello everyone, it's Connor here from Menudocs and welcome back to a new video on the channel. Recently, we unlocked a new perk on YouTube called Membership. I'm just going to pretty much go through this and explain what's going on with it. So with this memberships, what can happen is we can allow you guys, the viewers, the subscribers, to be able to click a join button, which will be displayed next to the subscribe button, and it will go through a process that will allow you to pick a certain tier of perk to pretty much donate us money to get some prizes or some stuff in return. So what we've got is 3 different perks here. So we've got the Coda perk, which will allow you to obviously have member-only live streams and, you know, get the videos in advance, so 1 week in advance. This is only certain series, of course. So we're talking about the MongoDB series and other series, as well as potentially the Discord.py series, and hopefully the Discord.js series. So basically, with the live streams, you will get Q&A streams, coding streams, gaming streams, and so much more. And then obviously with this, you'll get the videos, certain videos a week early. Next, with Programmer, this also inherits the Coda. So basically, you'll get all the perks from the previous, as well as getting some information from behind the scenes. So you'll be filled in and kept up to date with stuff that's going on behind the scenes of Menudocs. So that's everything all the way up to stuff that's going to happen in the future to stuff that's potentially happening now. And obviously, finally, with Developer, you'll inherit the 2 previous, so Programmer and Coda, as well as being able to have some of the Menudocs team friended on Discord and basically be 1 DM away from a brilliant conversation. So as you can see, there are different prices. So you've got a $2 Coda price, you got a $5 Programmer price, and a $10 Developer price. Now this is a monthly price that you'll have to pay monthly. There is no obligation, so you can pay it for 1 month, and if you're not happy, obviously you can leave. So just to elaborate on what these memberships are, basically it will allow Menudocs to improve content and also improve on our overall organization. It will be another revenue stream that will allow us to obviously go the next step further and provide brilliant content for you guys. There is going to be obviously a difference between members and normal viewers and subscribers with the paid aspect here, but I just want everyone that isn't going to become a member just to know that we will be obviously providing our normal content to our MongoDB series, Discord.js series, Discord.py series, and JDA series without any troubles. These people will get the videos a week in advance. However, you know, those videos will still become public knowledge, so you aren't going to be missing out on much. As a content creator myself for the channel, I'm just going to let you guys know that we're not going to be changing the way we talk. So if we have membership videos and normal videos, they're all going to be the same enthusiasm because we value our viewers and subscribers very much. But members, if you do become a member, I do appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys, you know, later on. I'll see you in the Discord or through YouTube, stuff like that. Catch you guys in the next video.